If you're choosing between Cox and Starlink, watch this before you choose, because this isn't just internet provider versus internet provider. It's traditional cable versus satellite internet. Cox Communications delivers internet through a cable network, offering fast download speeds, low latency, and reliable performance in areas with good infrastructure. That makes it a strong choice for gaming, video calls, and households with multiple users. But here's the catch. Availability is limited to Cox service areas, and upload speeds are often much slower than download speeds. Starlink takes a different approach. It uses a network of low Earth orbit satellites to provide high-speed internet almost anywhere, making it ideal for rural and remote locations. The downside is that speeds can vary depending on network congestion and weather, and the upfront equipment cost is much higher. So which one should you choose? Choose Cox if you live in a covered area and want lower latency, consistent speeds, and better value. Choose Starlink if you live in a rural location where cable or fiber isn't available. Bottom line, Cox is a better choice for most people because cable internet is generally faster and more stable. But if traditional broadband isn't an option, Starlink is one of the best alternatives available. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.